Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you a small project that I recently completed, which was placing an LED strip light under my bed for a really cool night light and mood light. Let's get started. The aim of this project was to provide myself with a little bit of light at night before getting into bed, and also to add a cool vibe to my bedroom. The first step within this project was to purchase an RGB LED strip light with a controller. After a little bit of research, I settled on this LED strip light from Sow Lighting called Pixie. The link to this product is in the description box below this video if you would like to purchase it. When I received the product, I quickly got to work by peeling off the adhesive backing and placing the LED strip light underneath my bed on an overhang. I made sure to position the controller and power plug at the end of my bed where there was an outlet. I ended up having around 2 meters of strip left over, so I ran it up and through my bed and fed it down and underneath of my drawers. Once I had finished attaching the LED strip to my bed and drawers cabinet, I moved back over to the start of the LED strip and plugged it into the power adapter, and then the power adapter into the wall and stuffed the power adapter where the sun doesn't shine. The next step was to throw away the included remote, as it is a cheap piece of crap, and download the Sow Lighting Pixie app from the App Store. Once I downloaded the app, it searched the Bluetooth frequency bands automatically and picked up my LED strip flawlessly. Within the app, I was prompted by various menus of control, but I opened the device one and clicked to open my device, where I was prompted by a lot of different options. Some of these options included, but are not limited to, a color wheel, a dimmer, a big on and off switch, and a variety of different settings which you can adjust the speed of, such as white color, flash, strobe, fade, and smooth color modes. There are also a couple of other functions in the main menu, such as grouping, scheduling, scenes, and a music sync function. Here is a light show using the inbuilt sync lights with music function in the Pixie app to a portion of the song Alone by Marshmello. Enjoy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a fantastic day.